Hello, this is me, ALIRAZA. I'm a Google Ads, Facebook Ads, Bing Ads certified advertising professional as well as an owner of a Google partner company. And today, let's get started with the question I have today. And the question is I was running Performance Max campaign for hearing aids clinic. I got around 150 plus form submissions as conversions, very good. But the quality, all leads are irrelevant. Okay, all saying did not fill the form. I had set up all relevant keywords, audience interest as audio and retired competitor website visits. Can you help me with what I'm doing wrong over here? Okay. So the first thing which I think is that the Performance Max campaign does not always work well with lead submissions. So for lead submissions, um, always not a good idea to run on Performance Max campaign. Okay, the second aspect which you are saying, I believe that a search campaign could be a better campaign as well. But you may also need to look around, if competitor boots are clicking on your ads, clicking on your ads, that could be another aspect for poor sales as well. Also, optimizing your landing page, figuring out any issues in that could also help you, in if you have a long website, a lot of details over here, irrelevant details over here, so that could be also a reason. But that I believe that the intent of the keyword, when someone searches for a particular query, and if your website matches that intent, with which people have clicked on your ad and your landing page, then that shouldn't be a problem that you are getting all of the leads as a bad leads. So I will highly doubt that over here. Maybe competitors are clicking on your ad, but try doing a search campaign and see how it can help you and how it can help you for your hearing aids clinic. But that I wanted to add a few aspects over here as well. That if this is one of the the tool Google Ads Preview tool I'm using, also highly encourage you to use extensions in your ad like this. This is kind of an ad with advertiser rating, pricing mentioned over here, citing phone, and also in case if you can mention uh, like uh, location extension, so that you have a number address being shown, that also increases your authority. So optimizing your ad also plays a huge role. So also just look around on your ad as well, just overview your ad. Maybe you are confusing your visitors with maybe you are showing something different on your ad and your landing page has something different, and that could also be a one of the reasons that there could be a little confusion. Again, my recommendation is to start with a search campaign and follow these strategies. So try again and let us know. So I hope this answers the question. But in case if you need a professional help in auditing and optimizing your Google ads for your hearing aid, hearing aids clinic, then me and my team can help you. All you have to do is to click on one of the link in the description to get started working with us, and we will love to help you in optimizing and setting up your Google ads campaign. And if you like this video, make sure to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that whenever I create a new video, guys get a notification regarding this. Once again, thank you for watching. Take care and bye bye.